start from Hierarch's Corner, and you're going together with the team before you see the other team. So separate, okay? Go different directions. My name is John Musina. I am from the National Museums of Kenya, the Ornithology section, and I'm the National Coordinator of the Waterfall Counts for Kenya. Right now we are in Lake Bogoria, and we are doing the January waterfall census together with the local community, working with the Kenya Wildlife Service. We are counting waterbirds in Kenya. It's basically to create a baseline database for monitoring, and we've been doing this for the last 20 years. And this helps us to know something about the population of the different kinds of species of birds that are found within the Rift Valley, but also something about the wetlands in which they live. We have also another second objective of training local capacity, especially those ones that live, people who live next to the wetlands, to be able to count the birds by themselves. And by doing this, they can now be interested in collecting basic information on monitoring without technical help from elsewhere. And this makes it sustainable, and in the long term, it's a monitoring system that's feasible. So that's the two reasons as to why we do this. So it's not easy to count flocking birds. So in a flock of flamingos, we use different methods to estimate how many there are. Of course, if you can count greater flamingos one by one, then that's the best way. You can go ahead and count each and every individual flamingo. But for the lesser flamingos, it's not easy. So you will find them in thousands in a flock. And the method that we use is that we count in blocks of 10, 20 or 50, and then you use that block to estimate the population of the lesser flamingos within given landmarks. So first of all, you get your landmarks, and then within these landmarks you use these blocks of 20 or 50 to estimate how many lesser flamingos are within this area. So the counts today have been quite successful, and we have managed to cover the whole lake with a lot of help and assistance. First of all, from volunteers all over the country, and also the volunteers from Bogoria Conservation community. And we also have a big support service in terms of transport, food, and other logistics that might be needed for the particular counts this January. So I encourage everyone who is interested in wetland biodiversity monitoring to come to the counts in every January and July of every year.
Tuyatuze tupate wasafi na chakula mazingira, tuyalinde tuyatunze, siku za usoni tutapata fanikiwa. Mazingira tuyatunze tupate wasafi na chakula